Welcome back to our channel. Our story begins with an unexpected activation of the Moto Cyclin, a high-tech device that suddenly comes to life. As the Moto Cyclin stirs, its gears rotate, and its loops flex, it seems to be responding to the presence of our feline hero. Energy pulses travel across its surface, creating a mesmerizing display. Meanwhile, Moto's fur catches the glow of the protein, adding to the surreal atmosphere. The cat's brass bell jingles as he leaps back, his tail flicking in response to the sudden activity. The background screens mysterious activation. Stay tuned for the next chapter to find out. Thanks for joining us. Into a thrilling sci-fi scenario where technology and animals collide in an unexpected way. Imagine this. You're working on your latest invention, the Moto Cyclin, a high-tech device designed to revolutionize the way we move. It's been sitting idle, but all of a sudden, it stirs to life. The gears begin to rotate, the loops flex, and the whole thing seems to be responding to the presence of a cat. As the cat leaps back, its brass bell jingles, and its fur catches the glow of the protein. Energy pulses travel across the surface of the Moto Cyclin. The background screens flash with warning alerts, signaling that something unexpected has occurred. Now we can't be sure if this is a glitch or a genuine response, but one thing's for sure, it's a fascinating moment in the world of technology and animals. Thanks for joining us in this exciting exploration. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more intriguing scenarios. Until next time, keep your imagination running wild. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the exciting world of technology and its unexpected interactions with the natural world. Today, we're diving to its surroundings, and it's supposed to be activated by human input. But in this case, it's the cat that seems to be triggering the activation. The Moto Cyclin suddenly stirs, gears rotating, loops flexing as if responding to the cat. Energy pulses travel across its surface, and the cat's brass bell jingles as he leaps back, tail flicking. His fur catches the glow of the protein, and the background screens flash with warning alerts. It's fascinating to see how technology can sometimes be caught off guard by the natural world. This story highlights the potential for unexpected interactions between human-made devices and the animals we share our lives with. Thank you for joining us on this journey of discovery. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more exciting content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.